Hi guys. So this month's turtle journal was June 2024 was birds. So I'm going to make a tag with it, and what I've done is I've glued two pieces of paper together that were in this book like that, and that will go in there like that. Okay, so I'm going to round these corners. That. Let that dry. I've just glued that down with some of this. And this is going to be my tag. Then I'm going to round these corners too, because it's easy to get things in and out when they're rounder. I'm sorry about the dog barking constantly. So these were what we got with them. Oh, that one's not going to work. Maybe that would. Let me have a look at my pocket. Might have to trim the edge off. Or maybe make it smaller. I might do that and make it smaller. So what I'm going to do is trim that edge off. Like that. And then trim those round again. Maybe stick that on there like that. Okay. It's going to be a paper to put glue on. I'm going to just stick that on there like that. So I've just got that on there like that. And because I want to stick it in here, which is going to be my pocket. Now which one is the opening? I know one of them is, oh, that one. So I might put a small hole in one of these, just so I know which is the, I've just put, oh, it's a bit lopsided, isn't it? There we go, that looks a bit better. that one's on that side. What else have we got here? Nothing terribly interesting. Just gonna stick this in here so I know where the hole is. There we go. That's better. Alright, now I'm going to trim this off. There we go. Now will that go inside there? Yes, nice. So on the back, what else did we have in here? Nothing really. What about a piece of paper for journaling on? Yep. So I'm not talking much, but there's lots of people in the house, so I'm trying to be a bit quiet while I'm doing this. Put that on there. And let that dry for a minute while we decorate the pocket. I've got a bit of this, that I could make a pocket at the front. Or I could what have we got? It's over there drying. Let's have a look what we've got here. There's nothing in that one, so that can go out. There's some robins here. Yeah, I might do that. I'll put I love these stickers, but I always find them really hard to put on, to stick down. Do we have some stuff from last month's. Well, that would look nice. I like that. So I might put that on there. Okay, sorry about that. It took me a bit of a while to get that off. Put that there. And I'm going to put some glue around here, like this. And I'm going to stick that on there, like that. Oops. I wonder if that'll work if I need two-sided tape. So that's that. Quite happy with that. And wait for that to dry before I decide whether or not to trim it down. Okay, this is bending a little bit. And so I need to cut this. See what I'm doing. Now, I need to ink that to get that stuff away. So I might use some walnut. It's quite yellow on it, but never mind. Oh, punch a hole through there. Like that. Okay, back. I just want to try and make that hole a bit better. And I need to cut this a bit better. Okay. Got ink all over. So that's that. That's a little journaling space on the back. You could put, have we got any of these that are interesting? Let's have a look. off like that. This work as a I was thinking about what do I just not like that. Right. And I will put just a peg on there like that to keep that. So we've got this on one side. I don't really need to put a hole in now, never mind. And journaling space on this side. And we have a little pocket. That side's a bit boring, isn't it? And you can see the white. I do like this on there though. So, what could we do on this side? We have a couple of little I don't think any of these have trees on them. There's really not much to work with this month, unfortunately. I just might put him in the corner or him down there. I might put him down there. Okay, back. So I have decided I might trim those edges just a little bit like that, but I'm going to leave that at the bottom like that. So it's a bit scraggy. And that can be journaling space. Or we could put another tuck spot in there, like that. Or a flip, or a tuck spot. But I don't want to really hide him up, so we've got something here that we could cut in half. Because none of these are very interesting, so I don't really care if I cut some of these in half. Yep, that'll do. Yep, that's good. Do it along there. And along there. Stick that on there, like that. Yep, I like that. I've done on there. Oh, that's pretty cool. Like a little tuck spot there, a little tuck spot there. So we might need to make something to go in there. What can we make to go in there? Okay, we have this. Which is a nice size. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. That's good. And then we've got some tea dyed paper here. I'll just straighten up. that along there so it's straight. Like that. Just putting this in here to make sure that the pocket's okay. And we'll cut along there like that. And cut. I've got these little bits over there that I'm going to use in a minute. I'll use a smaller one this time. There we go. And that is this little pocket. Like that. I'm going to put it in that way. I don't think we need anything on there. Okay, so we've got a pocket with something from last month's on the greenhouse, a bit of netting I had laying around. Take that off, leave that for another pocket. We've got a pocket here and we've got a pocket here. Let's put these in that. Okay. And we have journaling space on here, none in there. Oh, maybe you could write there, I suppose. That goes in there. Pocket in there. And we have this pocket that is drying and that needs a bit of extra glue on it. Alright. So guys, I'm going to wait till it all dries and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like dried. Okay everyone, this is the finished result of my pocket. So this is the first pocket with a little pocket here, little pocket here, and a tuck spot here. This is the tag, so it's pretty on there. Coffee tied paper, and this will go in there like that. There we go, just a bit stuck. Then I made this off camera, which was just a bit of cardboard right on here. It's just got some of those birds on. This is the little, I just put some washi tape on here and some washi tape here. It's got some journaling paper on the back there with some coffee stained paper. So that can go in there like that. Or it can go in there like that. And that can go in there like that. So there you go, it's all finished. And although I really didn't quite like this box this month, I'm actually really pleased with how this turned out. I did use some of my own things like this, but I'm very happy with it. So what do you guys think? So thank you for watching, and until the next time, please take care of yourself, your family, and the people you love. Bye for now.